Meditation for nervousness. Welcome to this guided meditation for calming and soothing nervous energy. We will begin as you are today. If you are seated, that is okay. If you are lying down, that is good too. Make yourself comfortable, and once you feel settled, gently allow your eyes to close. Let us begin by becoming an observer of your breath, your body, your mind, your energy, without doing anything to change or to control, simply watching, witnessing. There is no place to reach, no goal to accomplish. All you are doing is being with yourself. Notice your breath. Notice how it feels as you inhale and how it feels as you exhale. You can even say this to yourself in your mind as you breathe in, saying, I am breathing in, and as you breathe out, saying, I am breathing out. You can add a smile on your exhale if that feels okay. Breathing in, saying, I am breathing in, and breathing out with a gentle smile saying, I am breathing out. Just letting the breath do its work, do its magic, as it nourishes you, provides for you. Once again, as you breathe in, saying, I am breathing in, and as you breathe out, smiling and saying, I am breathing out. And then moving your attention to your body, noticing how your body feels. As you move your awareness to your body, you might notice some parts, feelings tense or tight, or even sore. Allow these parts to relax, sending your breath to these parts now, so they can let go of whatever they are holding. With each breath in, softening them. With each breath out, releasing what's stuck. Notice how your body is becoming more and more relaxed, more and more at ease as you sink deeper and deeper into the earth. Now bringing awareness to your mind, noticing how the mind is today, noticing its workings, allowing everything it wants to say to be there, not pushing away, not judging, not wanting it to be any different from what it is, letting the mind do its work, with you being there, sitting, watching, allowing, surrendering. And while you become friends with your mind, taking a moment to notice how you feel, getting in touch with the energy that surrounds you, noticing if the energy is restless or anxious or nervous, and if it is, smiling to that energy, smiling to that feeling and embracing it, not pushing it away, instead acknowledging it and giving it a mantra, giving that energy, that feeling a mantra to hold on to, saying to that energy, I am capable of taking care of myself. I am capable of facing this day. And once again, with deep love and compassion for that energy, for that feeling, saying to it, I am capable of taking care of myself. I am capable of facing this day. Now breathing into that energy, into that feeling, taking a deep breath in, saying, I am capable of taking care of myself. I am capable of facing this day. Holding the breath for just a few moments and letting it all go with a sigh. Once again, breathing into that energy, into that feeling, taking a deep breath in, saying, I am capable of taking care of myself. I am capable of facing this day. Holding the breath for just a few moments and letting it all go with a sigh. Returning now to the natural rhythm of your breath and feeling a deep sense of calm take over you, where you feel connected to your whole being, where you love your whole being, and where you can say to yourself that all is well in the world, and you are there for yourself. Whatever you are experiencing, have been experiencing, that too shall pass. And with this belief, holding that belief close to you, close to your heart, you are ready to embrace this day. Whatever this day may bring, you are there for yourself. Taking one last deep breath in, and with a big sigh, letting the last bits of worries go away. Smiling to yourself, gently open your eyes, folding your hands at your heart center, feeling gratitude for yourself, for giving this time to yourself. Thank you for being here today. Namaste.